So today we are gonna try to handle some trash cans of random stuff that we have collected that needs a bit broke down before Christmas. So what I do is I bring them over, I dump it out right here where it's concealed with around 4 trash cans. And then I just break it down. Pretty simple. And this table is the one y'all see me pick up on the last video. Or to be honest, I don't know if it's the last video, but I picked it up in one of the videos. So yeah. This wire was still good, but when I found it, it was already rusting, which means it's been in fluid. And if any of the fluid actually got in with the copper, it could get it to decay. So to me, that wasn't worth keeping. Oh my God. There we go. Much better. And boom. A wire and a wire. Metal and a metal. Next. Depending on what you're doing, depends on which way you want the wheel to go when you're cutting. I may cut in and out in between tearing stuff down depending on what I need during that breakdown. So we'll see. Get all the copper. Alright. That one does not want to come off. So some of them still have a knuckle on them, which is what was causing it. And yes, these are hot. Causing it to be that way. What do we have here? Here. Everything left on this board here in Orange County will be bought as tins, so just put the rest in there. No need to break it down any further. Hard drives, without taking them down, I get 40 cents a pound, 40 to 45 cents a pound here. So that is 10 wire. 10. All wire is bought the same, so it really doesn't matter what type of wire it is. Trash. As long as it's wire, they'll buy it. Alright, that's a strap. That could go over there with my straps. What do we got here? Okay. Ow. Smoky. Hold up, wait a minute. Okay. So, did move it off of there. So y'all know what this is. This is one of those copper brass radiators. And this makes it dirty, so we want clean brass. And I don't have brass bucket yet, so we'll use that for brass for now. And as you see, I'm not sure what it is. It's probably steel, but it's not yellow. No sparks. So I have to ask Jeff. Maybe it's aluminum, or maybe it is brass. It's just so red here I can't tell. But either way, now he can't say that's dirty no matter what. So I got all the steel off of it. All right. these, I'm not breaking down right now, so they go back there. Aluminum. Here we go. I'm not really sure why this one wasn't just took it apart when it came off, but who knows. I know I had my brother when he was staying with me for a little while tearing down a lot of stuff, so maybe this is something he tore down. I'm not really sure. Most of those seem pretty simple to cut out, so I don't know why they weren't. Let's see. Yeah, so that ain't gonna be too hard. So y'all know, this piece right here is brass. This is copper and copper. And the scrap yards here will lower the price so severe that you're better off just cutting it. Alright. Alright. So this is my further breakdown bin, so we're going to put that there. Let's see. I hope y'all are getting to see all this, or hope it's videotaping right. It's hard to determine why you're actually doing it, what the video's doing. And then that aluminum. Oh, what do we got here? Unless that's brass, that's all copper. Yeah, it's all copper. Okay. That there. Let's see. to Kappa. Yep. All right. And that makes that clean aluminum. Where I'd seen one a second ago. Put that here. Copy. All right. Laptops we don't tear down. We sell them the way it is. So, Jacob, please get out of here. Thank you. Yeah, it's just not safe for him with all this stuff around, so. Once I have it all cleaned up, it's a different story. And yes, I know there's brass in here. I'm not tearing those out. I barely have time to break down the stuff I already have. People that do micro scapping usually have a lot of free time on their hands. I'm just not really into the tiny scrap stuff. Yes, I am. So, oh, lost track of whatever I was doing. I gotta start turning in my batteries as well. I take those to Snap, I forgot the name. What's the name, Jennifer?
What?
For the batteries? Where do I take them?
O'Reilly's.
Yeah, we take them to O'Reilly's and get $10 a piece for them. So we got all those. Got about 5 more, I think, in this trash can and 3 more in those trash cans. We come across a lot of batteries. That would be so. What do we got here? Oh yeah, I remember what that was from. That was from the, I don't know if I yet had a YouTube channel, but I found this, I didn't find it. I got a call about removing a dryer from a laundromat, and it had this big AC coil like that, and it weighed like 150 pounds. It was like that, and there was like 5 coils, and that's how big the copper was inside. I was able to actually cut the coils and take the copper out, and the copper was heavy. So perfect, right into the fitting, and it's all copper. Whew. Most of what's left is just tiny little knickknacks. This is what I'm talking about. This has to be a trash can my brother filled. There's so much stuff in here that could have just been put directly into the correct trash cans. Now I have a floor magnet that I use to pick up all the stuff that falls on the floor. So for any of y'all wondering about any of the screws that fall down that I don't make into the trash can behind me, we get them. Alright, so brass, aluminum. Alright, there we go. Why is this not coming out? Well, I was about to get my impact gun because normally that's what you got to use to get those off. Somehow we were lucky and it just came off, which doesn't happen, so. I'm actually really surprised because we went through pretty much this whole entire thing. These take a specialty tool to take them off, but we went through that whole entire trash can without needing to really change anything, which is pretty insane. So I loosen them with the tiny snips, and then I press the drill onto it. Ooh, I don't think that one's gonna come undone like that. Alright, I could cut it, I'm not going to. Alright, let me keep going. now that we got this off, it gives us a little different of a grabbing scenario. Now I could try to find ways to hold it. Oh. Whoops. Okay. No way those are still in there. Let me just make sure. Oh. Didn't realize it was getting dark like that. Hello? 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 No, thank you. Have a nice day. All right. Holy cow. There it is. Whew. Sometimes they're easier than others. All right. Get that. All right. Alright. So, oh, do I need to pause it to go get the... Now, each one of these motors, they don't pay you a lot, right? They give you copper, which adds up. I mean, if you do a lot of them. But me personally, I just love breaking it down. And it's always nice to end up with a full bin of copper at the end of the day. But yeah, I think we'll just call that a day. I'll break these little things off camera. That ain't nothing. I'm gonna have to clean this up. We'll break down another trash can another day. It's just, it gets boring after almost an hour of just tearing down. Wonder if they're all gonna be that easy. Yeah, let me see if they are before I make y'all leave or shut this off, because that'd be kind of messed up. I stopped the video when I could just finish it. That is crazy. I know a lot of people, they do set breakdowns like, oh, let's just do only motors and stuff like that, which I may do an only motor one because I got so many motors. But I got so much to tear down, I don't see the point in me organizing what I need to tear down to tear it down in certain orders. Usually I could tear down a good amount of stuff in a short amount of time, so never really in too much of a rush. Man, those rims were supposed to go on the Ranger. I don't know if I'm gonna do it anymore. Okay, just a couple more things and we're done. That was pretty decent. That was a quick breakdown. I mean, at least for me. I don't know about y'all, but a little bit of everything. Got some copper, brass. Aluminum, all good stuff. I got to make sure I get everything out here picked up. If I don't, I'll have code enforcement on me. So a yard always it's got to end up looking perfect, 100% perfect before I go out that night to pick up more metal. So, and then aluminum. Oh yeah, all right. So these little rods that I just cut off here are actually brass. And that piece is aluminum. Most of this is small stuff that needs to be thoroughly gone through. That's all copper. Actually, I could probably get that off. So, yeah. All right. Anything y'all seen me do that you think I could do it in a faster or better way, hit me up in the comments, let me know. Other than that, please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Bye bye for now.